Drop it.
What's up YouTube, Hunter here, and today I'm going to show you how to make rollover links in HTML. So, if you're asking yourself, what's a rollover link? Well, let's just look at this little header thing right here. So, as you can see when I go over it, it changes colors to maroon. So, that's pretty much what a rollover link is. When you hover over it, it changes colors, or does an action. So, I'm just going to show you how to make that. So, what we're going to do is open up Text Wrangler. You can use Notepad, Notepad++, whatever your text editing tool is on your OS. And we're just going to start a HTML document. So let's just type in HTML. Let's open up a head, title. Let's make the title blank. We don't want anything there because that's just a simple tutorial. Let's make the body. Let's close the body. And close HTML. Now what we're going to do in here is just a link. You can also make rollover text. This is the same general concept to doing that. So I'm just going to do href equals hashtag or £. So it'll do nothing. And what we're going to type in here is like home. I don't know, this is just a simple tutorial, and we're just going to save it as a HTML file. Let's just call it test.html on the desktop. And if we visit the website this second, we just minimize out of those, we can find it right here. Okay, and as soon as we get on here, we get this home. So to make this a rollover link like this one, I'm not gonna take away the, the little under thing, the line underneath it. I'm not gonna take that away, but I'm gonna make it to where it changes colors when I go over it. So we're gonna open up Text Wrangler or whatever you have, and we're just gonna go new text document. Now it's gonna be a CSS document, which I should probably actually make this where I can use CSS. Just do a div tag. Okay, and I forgot the code to do this. I'll get back with y'all once I found out how to put CSS inside of a document. Okay, YouTube, so I'm back. So I figured out the code. It just took a little while to think of it. It's link rel equals parentheses, not parentheses, but quotation mark, style sheet. Okay, and then we type in type equals quotation marks text / CSS. And then we're going to go href equals styles.css. Okay, so that'll link it. So I'm just going to Command S or Control S to save it. Now we're going to start it off. So we see what we named our div tag for this, and that's main. So we're going to go .main, and then we're going to do the squiggly bracket. I don't know if that's the correct term for it. And we also got to just do a space and hit A. This sign, and then you do hover. Okay, so pretty much it says in the main div area right here. Okay, so we're specifying when we do the space A, that specifies that it's a link, which it is. And you do this sign, which I forgot the name of. I'm sorry, but you do that, and then you do hover, which hover signifies an action. So pretty much what it's going to do is when you hover over it, it'll go to color, and let's just make it maroon. Okay, and that. So we got to make sure it's saved as styles.css. Okay, so now if we just go back to the web page, whenever we hover over it, see, how it changes colors? Now you can do tons of customization with this, like I did. I made it to where it's in a table sort of, and it looks all nice like that. I mean, there's various degrees of what you can do this. You could do this to text, like I could make it hover on this stuff. You can do all that kind of stuff, guys. So thanks for watching. I know this was kind of a long tutorial, But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.